All right, here we go with another weekly recap of the previous week. So if we go here and look at our GJ Weekly Outlook for that I did last Sunday, I guess. Let's see what we got. Okay, there we go. All right, so I said we could pop back up here and then come down and then kind of range that area, or we could break this level of 1, 3, 4, 5, retest, and drop down a little further. So let's see what actually happened. So we did get a break and we did get a retest, and it did drop lower, but then it just kind of ranged in here. So let's see. Trading view, we can look at this weekly breakdown. Now, last week I had a horrible week of trading. Not a very good week. A lot of trades that I should not have. A little patient, a lot of things, but we're going to iron that out. So, I mean, if we look at this weekly candle, you can tell by it. That means price started off and all the way down and then made its way back up. Ended here. So, just so you can tell by how ugly the week looks. Alright, so mark out week candle, and then mark out Thursday on Friday. Alright, so we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So now we come into the week. Looking at the daily, I knew I had support right here, a strong level. So somewhere around, we can call it 20. I knew I had some right here, say 50, and then let's H4. I knew I had some at 50. So let's just check that out. All right, so we wake up. Woke up in the morning. I know that we're in a downtrend, so I'm looking for sales. So 7 o'clock. We can see that the market is absolute. This is absolute garbage. So we didn't break any levels. We didn't do anything to consolidate. So there was no trade. I can see that clear as day now. We were kind of in this range. So even here, I mean, we had a break of this level, come back and then it went up, but this all happened. First off, this is going against the trend, so this would have been more of a scalp opportunity. And this trade came in at 11 o'clock, so Monday, no trade. Tuesday, we can see that we are still in this range. So, did we get a break of anything? Let's see, 7 o'clock. That 7 o'clock count. We know we're looking for sales. The EMAs are still showing sales. So we need a break of like this level, or even this level. I prefer this one. So we got a break. As we can see, nothing. Even if I look on the 30, I mean, you could say a break of that, maybe a retest, but that's really, really garbage. So no trade. Tuesday. All right. Wednesday. All right. Let's see if we can get something going. So we got 7 o'clock here. We got a break of this level. Now, remember, the only reason I'd probably take this now is we're in a range, so I know which we're kind of trading the tops and bottoms. So we rejected this, and we broke this level. As you can see, at 7 o'clock, we broke that level. So 30. Let's see if we left any demand anywhere. It needs to be on minimum M15. And we did. Left a little demand area right there. Price. Drop in there. I probably used the M1 to be honest. And it's like 0.8 also. So took this on the touch. Stops below the demand. Left oops, roll that up to 0.5, which is the top of the range. So this was a great trade, a 1 to 6 trade opportunity. I did not catch this. I think I was trying to sell here for some stupid reason. All right, so that's Wednesday. Great trade Wednesday. One trade, our only trade. So if we come back here, we're still in this range. We come back here. Let's see, 7 o'clock. Okay. So I know that we just hit this range, and we did break this level. Let's see if we left behind any kind of supply demand, what demand would be. So M15 left that little demand area, which was also 0.20. So I mean, I would have got in on this if we look at it. Being real, I would have got in on this at the 1-1. Let's see. I would have got in on this little bit at the bottom, so you can see it right here. And there, stops would have been below the demand zone. I would probably rode that back up to 0.5. Okay, Thursday. Got another trade. All right, so Friday, let's see what we got. Price rejected here again, really strong in London. 7 o'clock. Okay, 7 o'clock. So I see we broke a level of support. Now let's see if we left any supply. No supply on M30, no supply on M15. So there was no trade. No trade at all. There were only actually 2 decent trades last week. One was a 1 point with the partial, so it was probably not just a 1. And this one was a 1 to 6. That's it. Very trash. Seemed confusing in the midst of it, but looking back over it right now, it was not. I just was not patient. Patience was my problem. Patience, patience, and patience. So that's it. Until the next one.